health has been at an all-time low this year, and it doesn't help that I look like this on a daily basis now. Like, look at my hair and my skin. I've really struggled recently with comparing myself to other people, and it's like, I don't want to keep telling myself I need to look like a certain person. I look like me, and I should just embrace that and be more of the best version of myself than look like someone else because they seem like the best way to look. You know what I mean? I'm trying to just enhance my features and try to embrace my look, and I just want to be a better version of myself. So I'm excited, and this is going to be in 24 hours. So this time tomorrow, I should be looking better. I started at Target and got a bunch of skincare and hair care products. I never take advantage of like their sample section that has many products for a couple dollars, but I need to start doing that more because I want to test out the products before I try them. So I spent $60. So I'll show you guys super quickly what I got. Beard dye for dyeing my eyebrows. These two face masks. Heat protectant, sunscreen, a sunscreen stick, conditioner, shampoo, a hair mask, and these travel bottles. It'll be nice trying new stuff. I feel like for a glow up transformation, you don't have to go spend hundreds of dollars. There's a lot more affordable options that you can just do at home. So I'll show you guys some stuff that I do. Actually feels so much nicer. I left on that hair mask for like 10 minutes and it felt amazing washing it out, like so soft. Right now I'm gonna spray in some leave-in conditioner and brush out my hair, and then I'm gonna let it dry for a little bit before I style it before bed. So I've seen a bunch of TikToks where people use rollers to curl their hair. So I bought a huge pack. And I'm excited to try this. These are big, so I think they're gonna make more of a blowout look, which I think will be perfect for summer. It's gonna be like a little wavy, but movable. I'm gonna start by spraying my new heat protectant, and then I'm gonna section off my hair and use my brush blow dryer and putting all of these in. Okay, I thought this was gonna look cute. It does not. It's like, these are so big. We'll see how this turns out. I'm not looking forward to sleeping in these. I hope they're not like super uncomfortable, but I feel like, how would this be comfortable? I got both of these today. I think I'm gonna use the pore minimizing mask. This actually smells really good, so I'm excited to leave it on. I've never used this one before. Like, it's minty, but it's sweet. Look at this look right now. This is like full transformation mode. How the fuck do you sleep in these? is my outfit for today. I'm actually loving this look. I was kind of hesitant about how my hair came out, but I think it looks really nice. I touched it up a little bit, like the volume, the way it moves. I don't know if it was worth it for the uncomfort that I had last night trying to sleep. So I think next time I'm just gonna put the rollers in while I get ready and then take them out. I do really like the outcome. I'm just not gonna sleep in them next time. I did a little bit of light makeup, and then this is my new Skims bodysuit, and I actually love it. I got it in this dark brown color. The low back is my favorite. And then I have these jeans, which are flared. I'm gonna put on my shoes, and then I have my jewelry, which I always wear. Up so early. I literally woke up at 7:30 this morning. Today is an exciting day because I have 2 appointments. So my first one is right now, and I'm getting my acrylics back on. I just took off my press-ons last night, and I'm gonna take off my rings actually. I'm really excited. I have a really cute design idea. I'm at this nail place that I got these nails done at, so they did a really great job. They were expensive, but it'll be nice to do something like this. I had my acrylics off for about a month. I missed them. So I'm here right now. I'm gonna go in and I'm excited. I just finished getting my nails done, and this is probably my favorite set I've ever gotten. They pulled out this like spray machine, put on this like black nail polish, and then put like gold glitter, and like it turned the black gold. Oh my god, so crazy, so high tech. I've never seen that before, but I'm so obsessed. This is exactly what I wanted. They are so pretty. The shape is nice. They're a brand new full set, just everything. Like I was literally telling him, I was like, I've gotten my nails done for a long time, but this is my favorite set I've ever had. This was a $100 set, which I'm not really surprised, but see, I'm going all out for this video. So I think it looks so cute with this brown bodysuit. I love pink and brown together. I love them. They honestly, I don't think they could have come out any better. They are so perfect. So that took about 2 hours, and now I have 2 hours till my next appointment. So I'm at this coffee shop right now. I've never been to it. I'm gonna get a coffee and something to eat because I just ran out of the house this morning. It was too early. I have to send a couple emails, and then I'll map where this next appointment is. I'm so excited for this next one. This is such an ultimate day. Iced latte with oat milk and a blueberry muffin. I am feeling so put together right now. Like my hair really grew on me today. I love how volumized and like movable it is. It looks so good. Like it's holding up so nice. This bodysuit is my first time wearing it and I love it. And now my nails, like stop. These are the cutest nails ever. I have like super light makeup on, but I feel like my glasses make it a look. As soon as I drink my coffee, my day jumps to much better. And this one's strong, which I love. Oh my god. I went down to get my mail from the mailroom. I ordered some things on Amazon, which I'll show you. But I got this box and I was like, oh, I don't know what this is. I literally just saw, oh my god. Guys, get the fuck out of here. I got a package from UGG. Stop. Stop. I literally wanted these so bad. This is so cute. This is one of the cutest packages I've got. I literally wanted these slippers so bad and they were sold out everywhere. And this jacket, like you guys know, I'm gonna be wearing this all fall. I was enjoying the heat, but now I can't wait for it to be cold. Well, thank you so much to UGG for sending me these. I am so excited. And thank you to all my subscribers. I wouldn't get stuff like this if it wasn't for you. I am just so grateful. Like, this whole video has been about self-care and doing all these things that I've always wanted to do. I wouldn't be able to do all this stuff if it wasn't for you guys. Making content as my job has been the most amazing thing to happen to me. I just can't thank you guys enough. Like, where I am today, I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you guys. I appreciate every single one of you so much. I also wanted to show you guys on Amazon, I bought these two rugs. My apartment is finally coming together. These are gonna be like one of the finishing touches. This is the rug I've had, and these are my two new ones. I love my little rug collection. And then I also got some film. I got a waterproof film camera for graduation, so I got a bunch of rolls of film to use it. So I'm on my way right now to my next appointment. I'm gonna be getting lash extensions and I'm so excited. I wear makeup every day and I feel like this is gonna make such a big difference in my routine, especially because I wanna be more natural. I feel like if I have my lashes done, like, your eyes are your main focus of your face. So I feel like if I have my lashes done, I'll probably wear less makeup. Never gotten this done, but it's something I've literally always wanted to do. This is how my lashes came out. I actually think it looks so good. The more I look at it, the more I like it. I've never had this before and it looks so different. So it's kind of taking me a second to like get used to it. The girl who did my nails was so nice. She did such a good job. I mean, the patience for this, that is insane. It took about 2 hours, which I was expecting. I was getting so tired, literally falling asleep. But I really like them. This is so crazy. I got a little lash care kit and I'm gonna head home. But I'm so excited. This was so fun. I just laid down for a while. I am so tired, but next I am gonna dye my eyebrows. Even if I do super light makeup, I always fill in my eyebrows. So dyeing them, I feel like is gonna make it way easier to get ready in the morning. So my sister showed me this trick. You can use beard dye to dye your eyebrows. And we used to do this all the time, especially before trips, just to save time getting ready. I'm gonna take my eyebrows off right now. Right? Like, that looks so good. So now my eyebrows look a lot darker and kind of more shaped and nice. I'm gonna go back in with the dye and fill in a couple other spots, but I'm also gonna wax them and shape them. Alright, here are the finished eyebrows. I actually think they came out really good. The shape looks better, the color's better, they're more like full. I don't really think I'm gonna have to fill them in that much anymore. And there's so much product in here, so you can dye your eyebrows like multiple times. So I spent $60. This was a $100 set, a huge pack. It took about 2 hours, which I was expecting. I was getting so tired, literally falling asleep. This bodysuit is my first time wearing it and I love it. I'm filming this outro way too late. I've had my lashes on. I'm actually getting a fill in 2 days because I think this one has like more lashes now than this one. My acrylics are like growing out. I've been trying a couple new hair products, which I'm so excited to show you guys in my next video because my hair is like soft and shiny. It's really nice taking time to take care of yourself. And I feel like with all these little changes, I feel so much more confident now. And it's like when I'm feeling good on the outside, it makes a a huge difference. I think it's just the confidence for me that I need to feel like I look good in order to be like my best self and like put my best self forward. It was really difficult growing up in this society, as all of you guys know, as a woman, comparing yourself to everyone. I mean, when you grow up reading magazines of celebrities and you see like who wore it better, or like, you know, the body shaming and all that stuff, I feel like I've been impacted at such a young age to be so conscious of how I look. I'm not trying to give in to beauty standards and like straighten my curly hair and have long lashes and clear skin, makeup every day and all that stuff. But honestly, I just feel like this is what I've learned looks the best. I think I'm speaking on a whole new topic now that I didn't really mean to get into, but I think it's important to just embrace your features. And I mean, I feel like I talk about this stuff a lot, but it's just so important for me to just embrace who I am. It is hard because I feel like with social media, I'm constantly comparing myself to people. We're all in the same boat. Like, I think a lot of you guys watching this is around my age, so I know you guys can relate to the shit that goes on all the time in our heads. I genuinely do think that when I feel confident and I feel like I look good, then I can bring myself forward better and be confident enough to speak up or walk into a room and not be shy, and I want to show off who I am more when I feel like I look good. But it's also about like talking yourself up and not putting yourself down. Every time I look in the mirror, my first thought is, let me pick myself apart and like what's wrong with how I look right now. But I've really been trying the last couple years to reverse that and pick out things that I really like. These were a couple things I did, some affordable, some not affordable at all. I spent so much money in this video, but I always remind myself I'm only this young once, so I might as well go all out and enjoy how I look right now because we're changing all the time. Thank you guys so much for watching and staying until the end. I appreciate you guys so much. I would not have this lifestyle and the ability to do all these things if it wasn't for you guys, so I am really grateful that I get to do this, and I just love making videos. It always has just been my favorite thing. So I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day. I will see you guys soon in my next video. Definitely follow my Instagram and all my other social medias, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye! Mwah.